You are looking at 2005 Buick LeSabre Custom, and it is a rebuilt title vehicle. It means it wasn't an accident, and we repaired it. We passed 2 required by Illinois law salvage inspections. I would say it does not have any dings or dents. It's really nice condition from outside and from inside actually. The engine is running, so you can hear that it's nice and quiet. And for this particular car, we repaired this 1/4, what is left side, replaced left rear doors, a little bit repaired driver's door, changed both fenders, hood, bumper and lights. And you can go on our website to see how this vehicle looked before. It was always running, airbags in place, so nothing major, just body. As you can see, it has alloy wheels with tire tread about 50 in the back and about 40 up front. And let's look inside. It is, in my opinion, very spacious vehicle. Nice riding. Power windows, power mirrors, power door locks. Nice seats, no rips, no tears. And it is a 6-passenger vehicle, so you can lift the middle and 6 people can easily fit in this vehicle. The odometer here, as you can see, is nice and clean, no warning lights on. It has ABS brakes, traction control, right now 51,030 miles. It gives you odometer info, fuel info, and basic other information. It has steering wheel radio mounted audio controls mounted on steering wheel, cruise control on the steering wheel, radio with CD player, and as you can see, radio, CD works, heat works. And if you would like more information about this vehicle or any of our other vehicles, please visit www.rebuiltcars.com.